Watch me hack this job board built on Lovable. Jobs here need admin approval before they go live. I'm logged in as a normal user. Watch this. In the developer console, I paste my hacking script, press enter, job posted directly as approved. Refresh the page. Without admin approval as a logged in user, I was able to post a job. I just posted an approved job, no admin ever saw it. Now here's the second one. This time I'm not approving a job. I submitted a job with code hidden inside it. When an admin reviews it, they see this. Looks like a verification prompt. They type their password, credentials stolen. Lovable security scanner didn't catch either of these. I found them using my security prompts. Grab the prompts for free, link in the description below. Quick tip. Don't run these in Lovable itself. Lovable's agent is designed to build, not audit. Use a separate tool. Here is how. First, connect your Lovable app to GitHub. Then open Claude.ai or ChatGPT. If you don't have a subscription, I'll show a free way at the end of the video. Go to the code option here or here Codex in ChatGPT. Connect GitHub to Claude or ChatGPT. Mine's already connected. I've selected the right repository. Paste the prompt, run it. It scans your code and generates a report. Once it's done, review the report. Does it make sense? Then ask it, give me a summary of issue 1 and a prompt I can give Lovable to fix it. One issue at a time. Don't dump the whole report into Lovable. LLMs get confused with too much context. Take the fix and paste it into Lovable. Let it trace and fix the issue. Repeat for each issue. That was a simple one. One prompt, one report, done. Some security checks need 2 steps, like RLS policies, your database rules. First, run the authorization rules writer prompt. This report maps out what your app is supposed to allow, who can do what. Review this. Make sure it got the rules right. Users can submit new gigs, always start as pending. They cannot approve or reject gigs. Then run the RLS policy analyzer. It compares your actual database policies against those rules. 2 prompts, but catches deeper issues like the job approval hack I showed you at the start. Here's the free way to do it if you don't have Claude or ChatGPT subscription. Go to GitHub in your repository, click this code button, and go to code spaces. Open a code space. This sets up a computer in the cloud with your code base. We are going to be using Gemini CLI. It has a generous free tier and is one of the best models by Google. Scroll down. This is the command to install it. Copy it. Paste it in the terminal and install. Run Gemini by just typing the Gemini command. Just press enter and log in with Google. Make sure to log in with a personal Gmail. That's the free one. You have to manually select and copy this. In a new tab, paste it. Use your personal account. Sign in. Copy the code. Paste it there in the terminal. And now we're logged in. Then I can copy and paste my prompts here and run them. Follow the same process. I showed you 2 checks today. One for code injection, one for database permissions. There are about 20 in the full set. Input checking, authentication, spam prevention, and more. Grab them all for free, link in the description. If you're vibe coding and want to learn with other builders, join the AI First community, link below. Want my team to harden your app for you? Book a call, link in the description. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.